Thinking of installing a new outlet? Here's a quick guide to help you get started safely.
Before you begin, make sure you've got the right tools and turn off the power at the breaker.
In the subpanel or the main meter panel. Test for voltage using a tester. Double check there's no power. Mount the electrical box securely in the wall. Strip your wires, about 3/4 of an inch back. Step 4. Connect black, hot, to brass, white, neutral, to silver, and ground to green. Tuck wires neatly and screw the outlet into the box. Add the cover plate and restore power at the breaker.
Electricity is no joke. If you're not fully confident in what you're doing, don't risk it.
Our licensed electricians can install your outlet quickly, cleanly, and up to code. We're just one call away. Need a reliable electrician? Call us today at 844-411-0240 or reach out via email at info@positiveelectricians.com. Discover how we can light up your space while delivering exceptional service.